Okay, next derivation, expression for electric potential due to an electric dipole. You know dipole, minus q and plus q separated by a small distance we call electric dipole. Let us see what happens. What is our next derivation name? Expression for electric potential due to an electric dipole. क्या है dipole? This is A B. At A minus Q is there, at B plus Q is there. Separated by how much distance? 2A. What is 2A? Length of the dipole. Let us say O is the midpoint. How much is the distance from O to A? A. How much is the distance from O to B? A. At A minus Q is there, at B plus Q is there. That constitute a dipole. How much is the length of the dipole? 2A. O is the midpoint. Midpoint to A, one end. How much distance? Small a. Midpoint to B, how much distance? Small a. Okay, what is our aim? Our aim is to determine the electric potential due to an electric dipole. हमारा aim क्या है? Our aim is to determine the electric potential due to an electric dipole. Consider an electric dipole AB having two charges separated by small distance 2A. Let us O be a midpoint. Let us consider point B. Point B consider करो. Here this is point P. Let us O be the center of dipole, P be a point at a distance R from O. O से P कितना distance है? R. How much is OP? OP is equal to R. How much is OP? OP is equal to R. How much angle it makes? Theta. This OP makes angle theta with dipole axis. This line OP makes angle theta with dipole axis. Dipole axis के साथ कितना एंगल बनाते हैं? OP theta. क्या है? पॉइंट P है, कितना दूर है O से? R. How much is OP? R. Why we considered P? Because there we want to determine electric potential. Why we considered P? Because why we consider this point P? Because we want to determine the electric potential. यहाँ पे हम electric potential find out करना है. That's why we considered point P. O से कितना दूर है? R. What is O? Midpoint. This OP makes how much angle with dipole axis? Theta. Okay. After that, what we have to do? इसको extend करो. Let O be the center. Let theta be the angle between. Now, इसको extend करो. Theta तो angle है. इसको extend करो ऐसे. Yes. Now you extend. Now if this extend is PO, you draw one perpendicular. इसको एक perpendicular draw करो. Okay. Now you draw here another perpendicular to OP. Now join these points. You join these points. Okay. Now you say why we made this geometrical extension? Because we want to determine electric potential at point P, charge present at A and B. That's why we made some geometrical constructions. क्या geometrical constructions करें? This line PO extended. After extending, we draw one perpendicular from point A. We draw one perpendicular from point A for extension for PO. We draw another perpendicular from point B for line OP. That makes 90 degree. What is this point name? N. What is this point name? M. ये extension करना, ये geometrical construction करना बहुत necessary. After that, we joined A to P. After that, we joined B to B. B से P join करें, A से P join करें. Now, let us see. Electric potential at P. Electric potential at P due to charge plus Q is how much? Electric potential at P due to plus Q is V1 is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q divided by electric potential at P due to charge plus Q. Electric charge at point P due to charge plus Q is how much? V is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q. How much is the distance from B to P? Dp. Similarly, electric potential at P due to minus Q. Electric potential at point P due to minus Q is V1 is equal to V2 is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught. ये minus Q है divided by this is minus Q. How much is the distance from A to P? AP. Therefore, V2 is equal to ये minus बाहर लेके आओ 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q divided by AP. Give it as equation number 2. Okay. What we done? This is equation 1. What we done? We calculated electric potential at P due to plus Q. V is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R. Here R is distance BP. B to P. Now similarly, electric potential at P due to minus Q is V2 is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught minus Q divided by AP. This minus we brought outside, minus 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q divided by AP. Give it as equation number 2. How much is the net potential? What is the resultant potential at point P? Our aim is to calculate resultant potential at point P. For that, shall we go for V1 plus V2? According to principle of superposition, shall we add V1 plus V2? Okay. Resultant potential. Now, another important point, angle POB is theta. Now, similarly, angle AOM is also theta. Okay, angle POB is theta. Similarly, angle AOM is theta. Why? What is the reason? Vertical opposite angles. You can see angle POB is equal to angle AOM. Angle POB is equal to angle AOM. What is the reason? Vertical opposite angles. Angle POB is equal to theta. Angle AOM is also theta. What is the reason in geometry? Vertical opposite angles. That point must also remember. Next. Therefore, resultant potential at P is V is equal to V1 plus V2. How much is V1? V1 is how much? 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q divided by dP. How much is V2? Minus 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught Q divided by AP. Now this thing is common. Can you take Q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught? Here 1 by BP minus 1 divided by AP. This thing we take on common. Q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught we take on common inside a bracket 1 by BP minus 1 by AP. Now important thing we have to calculate BP and AP. मेन काम क्या है हमारे को बीपी और एपी कैलकुलेट करना है. फॉर दैट ओनली वी मेड दिस ऑल कंस्ट्रक्शंस. ये बीपी और एपी कैलकुलेट करने के लिए हम ज्योमेट्री कंसिडर करें. ओके, बीपी एपी कैलकुलेट करने के लिए क्या करें? पीओ लाइन एक्सटेंड करें, परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ करें और एक परपेंडिकुलर. वी ड्रॉन हाउ मेनी परपेंडिकुलर्स? 2 परपेंडिकुलर्स. एएम परपेंडिकुलर टू ओपी, बीएन परपेंडिकुलर टू ओपी. हम क्या करें? 2 परपेंडिकुलर्स यहाँ पे ड्रॉ करें. एएम, एक एएम परपेंडिकुलर करें और एक BN perpendicular correct. That thing you try to understand. To find BP and AP, draw BN perpendicular to OP and AM perpendicular to OM. Perpendicular to PO. Okay. BN perpendicular to OP and AM perpendicular to PO. Okay. BN perpendicular to OP. See, BN perpendicular to OP. BN perpendicular to OP. Similarly, AM perpendicular to PO. AM perpendicular to PO. This PO is extended. यहाँ तक सही है. इसको produced बोलते हैं. PO produced लिखो. PO produced. What is PO produced? PO का dotted line extension. PO का dotted line. BN perpendicular to OP. AM perpendicular to PO produced. See, BN perpendicular to OP, AM perpendicular to PO produced. Produced means ये extension को क्या बोलते हैं? Extension है ये dotted line. Dotted line को क्या बोलते हैं? PO produced. Okay. These two things you have to calculate for. This geometrically you have to make these two things for calculation of BP and AP. Next, what happens here? First of all, this is A. We taken small electric dipole. Separation 2A is very very small. Minus Q and plus Q separated by a very small distance. When 2A is small, see, 2A is small. 2A is small. Separation between two charges is very very small. 2A small means A is still small. A is still small. अगर ये स्मॉल हो गया यहाँ पे, देखो ये डायग्राम है, ये है O to A, ये स्मॉल है. When O to A is small, then AM is also very very small. जब OA small हुआ, इसका मतलब क्या है? A to M is also very very small. Similarly, when OB is very small, this means BN is also small. Very important point. The separation between two charges is very very small. 2A is small. जब 2A small बोले तो A भी और क्या होता? Small होता, उसका half. ये small बोले तो O से A small. Small means O to A is small. When OA is small, this means AM is also very very small. Why? A less distance है बोले तो AM is also very very small. This means when you are taking A to P is nothing but MP. Approximately, देखो diagram में AP is approximated to PM or MP. Okay, because A and M are very very close to each other. A M बहुत close है. क्यों close है? The A itself is very small. When A itself is very small means A and M are very very close to each other. कैसे देखो ये है, एक परपेंडिकुलर लाइन ड्रॉ करो. ओके, ये M होता and this one is A. Now you take A small, this much only you take. You draw one perpendicular line. This is A, this is O, this is M. What you are observing? Here A is large, A and M are well separated. Here A is less, A and M are very close. Still you take small line. This is O, this is A, you draw one perpendicular. What you are observing in three cases? A large, A and M are separated. When A is small, A and M are very close. When A is very very small, A and M are lying very very close to each other. That is the concept. This means AP is approximated to MP. Here AP is approximated to MP or AP is approximated to PM. Meaning is same. AP is approximated to MP or PM. MP PM meaning is same. AP is approximated to MP or PM meaning is same. Therefore AP PM that's equal to how much is PM? P to O. P से O तक कितना डिस्टेंस? OP. PO plus OM. Therefore AP is equal. How much is PO? R plus OM. To determine OM, let us apply cos theta. Cos theta. In which right angle triangle? AMO. Right angle triangle AMO. In right angle triangle AMO, cos theta is equal to adjacent side OM divided by hypotenuse OA. Therefore, OM is equal to OA cos theta. What is O to A? OA is small a, cos theta. Therefore, AP is equal to R plus cos theta. AP is equal to R plus cos theta. Adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. Adjacent is how much? OA. Hypotenuse is how much? OA. OM is equal to OA cos theta. What is OA? Small a, half from midpoint to A. From midpoint of the dipole to A cos theta. Here OA is equal to A. Now AP is equal to R plus cos theta. Now we have to determine BP. अभी हमारे को AP हो गया. अब determine BP करो. Next. This B and N, this B and N are very close to each other. BP is approximately NP. BP is approximated to NP. Why? This A is very small. This A is very small. This means B and N are very, very close. This B and N are very close to each other because this half distance A is very small. When A is very small, in our previous discussion just now I said, when A is very small, this BN is also very, very close to each other. Point B and N lies very close to each other. B और N बहुत नजदीक आते हैं. Capital B and N बहुत close आते हैं. Now B N are very close to each other. Since B and N close to each other, that's why BP is approximated to NP. Therefore, BP is approximated to NP. That's equal to OP minus ON. Now, this is R minus ON. Therefore, BP is equal to, हमारे को इतना चाहिए, BP is approximated to NP. BP is approximated to NP. Therefore, NP हमारे को इतना ही चाहिए, OP minus ON. We want NP. यहाँ से यहाँ तक होना. OP minus ON. How much remains? NP. OP minus ON. How much remains? NP. Here once again right angle triangle. यहाँ पे और एक right angle triangle मिलता तुम्हारे को BNO. Right angle triangle BNO. Cos theta apply करो. Cos theta is equal to adjacent side ON divided by hypotenuse OB. Therefore, ON is equal to OB cos theta. Therefore, ON is equal to, what is OB? OB कितना है? OB is how much? ये cos theta. Substitute करो यहाँ पे. Therefore, BP is equal to R minus, how much is ON? ये cos theta. You got AP, you got BP. Now substitute values here. This is equation 3, this is equation 4, and this is equation 5. You call this one as equation 3, you call this one as equation 4, you call this one as equation 5. Now substituting 4 and 5 in equation 3. Substituting okay, OM. Now here AP is equal to R plus A cos theta, and this one is BP is equal to R minus A cos theta. How much is OM? OM is A cos theta. OM कितना है? A cos theta. You have AP, you have BP. Substituting equations 4 and 5 in 3. Substituting. Substituting 4 and 5 in 3. What is equation 4? AP is equal to R plus A cos theta. What is equation 5? BP is equal to R minus A cos theta. 4 and 5. What is equation 3? V1 Q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught. 1 divided by, how much is BP? R minus A cos theta. Okay. Minus 1 divided by, how much is AP? R plus A cos theta. Now, V Q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught. A minus B into A plus B. In mathematics, A minus B into A plus B, A square minus B square. In denominator, R plus A cos theta minus R minus A cos theta. Q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught. R plus A cos theta minus R minus R. Minus into minus plus A cos theta divided by R square minus A square cos square theta plus R minus R get cancelled. Q divided by 4 pi epsilon naught 2A cos theta divided by R square minus A square cos square theta. V is equal to Q 2A cos theta divided by 4 pi epsilon naught. Now who remains? R square minus A square cos square theta. What we done? 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught. Q into 2A. Q into 2. Who remains? Cos theta divided by R square minus A square cos square theta. Next. Therefore, V as it is 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught. What is Q2A? Dipole moment formula Q2A. You know dipole moment formula? P is equal to Q into 2A. P cos theta divided by R square minus A square cos square theta. What we done? We substituted Q2A. Q2A के जगह में हम क्या करें? डाइपोल मोमेंट फार्मूला है ये. What is the formula name? डाइपोल मोमेंट P is equal to Q into 2A. तो यहाँ पे Q into 2A के प्लेस में क्या करें? P 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught P cos theta divided by R square minus A square cos square theta. Finally we got 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught P cos theta divided by R square minus A square cos square theta. V is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught P cos theta divided by R square minus A square cos square theta. Okay, see it carefully. For R is much greater than A, condition for short electric dipole. For R is much greater than A, condition for short electric dipole. A square can be neglected. A square can be neglected. ये पूरा term क्या करते हैं हम? Neglect करते. Why? We are considering one condition. R is much greater than A. That is a condition for short electric dipole. A square can be neglected. Therefore, we got V is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught. This is P cos theta divided by R square. This is the expression for electric potential at point P due to a dipole. This is the expression for electric potential at a point P due to a dipole. Which dipole? Short electric dipole, and this condition you must know. 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught P cos theta divided by R square. This result you must remember. V is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught P cos theta divided by R square. This is the expression for electric potential at a point due to a dipole. ये a square क्यों neglect करे मालूम हुआ? R is much greater than a. At the time a square is negligible and this a square cos theta is neglect. That's why P cos theta as it is divided by R square. ये यहाँ पे ये टर्म क्या करे नेग्लेक्ट करते हैं कब फॉर शॉर्ट इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल. शॉर्ट इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल मींस R is much greater than A. Okay, so this is all about ये कंडीशन फॉर क्या है शॉर्ट इलेक्ट्रिक डाइपोल. ए स्क्वायर नेग्लेक्ट होता जब ए स्मॉल है बोले तो ए स्क्वायर उससे भी स्मॉल होता. When A is small means A square will be small. The final answer is V is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught P cos theta divided by R square. This is the result for electric potential at a point due to electric dipole. Okay, see it carefully. V is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught P cos theta divided by R square.